Let's have a look at question C in this video. So, how much profit would Harry make if he was forced to charge the same price to all buyers? So it's going to be a regular monopoly question. What does that mean? If he charges the same price, so let's work it out over here. If he charges the same price, then we know that he would satisfy marginal revenue equals to marginal cost. That would give him the optimal profit. Let's have a look what the marginal revenue would be. Well, the marginal revenue would have twice the slope as the demand curve, so that would be 20 minus 10q. So let's write that down. That would be 20 minus 10q. Let me change colors. 20 minus 10q, and the marginal cost, recall that was 5. So that would be equal to 5. 20 minus 10q would be equal to 5. 20 minus 5, that's 15, would equal to 10q, meaning that the maximizing quantity that the monopolist would have in this case would be 15 over 10, which is the same as 1.5. Now recall that the price was equal to 20 minus 5 times q, and now if we substitute the quantity into the price, we would find out that the maximizing price would be 20 minus 5 times 1.5, so that would be equal to 12.5. That would be the price. Now to find out the profit, we'll just include all the data in one equation. We'll have the difference between total revenue minus total cost. So that would be the difference between the price times quantity minus the total cost. And the total cost in our question was over here, 5q plus 15. So 5q plus 15. In our case, we will have, let's write it 5q plus 15, then we'll open up the brackets. Profit would equal to the price of 12.5 times the quantity of 1.5 minus 5 times q, that's 5 times 1.5, and minus 15. And if we work out the math over here, we would have as a result minus 3.75. So they will give us minus 3.75. We can see that the monopolist would actually be worse off. So because he would not be able to segment the market, he would not be able to reach enough customers, he would not even be able to break even, because his cost would exceed the revenues that he would get, and that would be a bad deal. So he's better off charging for the discount price as well. Now the last question is going to be an intuitive question over here in part D. Are the buyers better off or worse off as a result of Harry's being able to charge two prices? Well, since Harry charges only one price and he's making a loss, then he would get out of the market. That's one side of the argument. So the buyers would even be able to buy his product. And on the other hand, just thinking of the consumer side, there are consumers who are more sensitive to prices, so they would like to pay a lower price and still buy some products. So those consumers are satisfied because there is a discount price for them. So in that case, yes, the market of consumers is better off because it's able to satisfy both segments, both types of elasticity. Some people can pay more, some people can pay less, and that just makes it better. Hope this makes sense, and we are done.